Hey tech lovers! Today we're diving into the Teckin Smart Plug 16A, an absolute game changer for smart home beginners. For under $14, you're getting serious power and features. Stick around as we walk through setup, scheduling, energy monitoring, and voice control. First things first, let's unbox this little powerhouse. You'll get the plug itself and a handy quick start guide. Make sure you have your smartphone nearby and access to your home Wi-Fi network. If you want voice control, have your Alexa or Google Home ready. That's all you need. Head to your phone's app store and search for Smart Life. That's the official app for Teckin devices. Download it and create your account using any email address. Verify your email, and you're ready to roll. This app is your control center for everything. Now for the magic moment. Plug your Teckin into any standard outlet near your router. The LED should start blinking slowly. That means it's in pairing mode. Open the Smart Life app, tap the plus button, and select Smart Plug. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and boom! Your plug connects in seconds. The app will confirm when you're good to go. This is where things get really fun. Once connected, you can turn any plugged-in device on or off with a single tap from anywhere. Want your coffee maker to start at 6 a.m.? Set a schedule. You can also monitor exactly how much power each device is using. Create multiple schedules, set timers, and control everything remotely. Perfect for saving energy and adding convenience. Want hands-free control? This is so easy. In the Smart Life app, go to Settings and link your Alexa or Google Home account. Then open your voice assistant app, discover devices, and give your plug a memorable name like living room fan or desk lamp. Now you can control everything by voice. Try saying, "Alexa, turn on my coffee maker." It's that simple and incredibly satisfying. One of our favorite features? Energy monitoring. The Teckin shows you exactly how much power each plugged device is using. Right down to the watt. You can review daily, weekly, and monthly reports to spot which devices are energy hogs. This data helps you make smarter decisions and potentially lower your electricity bill. It's like having a personal energy auditor. There you have it. You're now a Teckin Smart Plug expert. If this helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Drop a comment below with any questions or share your favorite automations. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!